these are fit cases to be investigated by the NIA.
Malot,
This job under the statute has been entrusted to the government, to the central government, on the report to be submitted first by the SHO concerned, thereafter on the report to be submitted by the state government. It is the satisfaction of the central government on the report submitted by SHO. Just a minute, please.
Yes.
Can we substitute our satisfaction to the satisfaction of the central government? No. Don't confuse the issues.
Yes.
See, your prayer number 1 and 2 is in respect of. Wait, sir, please. We cannot substitute our satisfaction to the satisfaction which under the statute is to be there, to be recorded by the central government, not by us.
The situation in Delhi, Milord, is beyond control.
No, that is all there. We are not on that. We are strictly confining the matter on the legal parameters.
Yes, that's true.
You tell us whether this court, based on any material produced before us, can substitute its satisfaction to the satisfaction which is to be there by the central government. Can we do this?
Milord, as per subsection 3, Milord, may I read, Milord, again? Yes. Gravity of the offense or other relevant factors.
Yes.
So, Milord, the other relevant factors, Milord, which is, Milord, the word employed on the subsection 3, Milord, has to be, Milord, unearthed. And for that, Milord, the appointing a specialized agency, whether it is NIA.
Please try to understand.
Yes, or SIT.
Try to understand.
Yes.
Try to understand. It is the satisfaction of the central government on the report submitted by SHO coupled with the report by the state government.
Yes.
The satisfaction has to be recorded. Satisfaction has to be there of the central government.
So therefore,
just a minute, please.
Yes.
Can we substitute our satisfaction to the satisfaction of the central government?
No, my lord. As per Milord requirement of this statutory provision, Milord,
yes,
the central government has to respond before your lordship.
No, why?
Why?
The call is to be taken by them.
Therefore, Milord, the learned Solicitor General at the outset has said that let notice be issued.
No, please, you have to satisfy the court.
That's true.
Notice can't be issued. Notice cannot be issued on the asking of either you or the other side.
My lord, have the judgment 2018, Milord.
Yes. NIA is not an inquiry agency. It is an investigating agency.
Correct.
The question of investigation comes only once there is an FIR.
Correct.
There is a report under 154, the CRPC equivalent provision, whatever it may be there, in terms of section 6.
Correct.
Correct. So at this juncture, if there is an FIR, then recourse to section 6 will have to be taken by the respective authorities.
My lord,
how can you maintain a writ petition?
My lord, may I read the prayer 1, my lord?
It is not prayer 1.
My prayer is to issue writ amendments commanding the National Investigating Agency or any other specialized investigating agency.
Yes.
To investigate the incident dated.
So what is an investigation? In legal parlance,
yes.
What is an investigation?
Yes.
Investigation is conducted of an offense of a crime, reported crime.
Correct.
In terms of section 6, there has to be a report under 154, 154 CRPC.
Correct.
That is an FIR.
Correct.
And thereafter, the whole procedure is prescribed.
Yes.
My lord, if just a minute,
yes.
If in the opinion of the state government, yes, any such scheduled offense is required to be investigated by NIA, yes, then recommendation is made to the central government. Central government takes a decision. How can you ask us to first get a kind of inquiry conducted into entire things and then issue a direction to them to investigate, conduct the investigation by NIA?
My lord, state away, my lord, just to answer your lordship's query, my lord. There is a judgment of Hon'ble Supreme Court in a situation like this, my lord.
Please, first of all, let us see what is its conclusion.
Yes.
As to whether it is a fit case or not.
Yes.
For being investigated by the investigating agency.
Yes.
Has to proceed 2 things. Number 1, there has to be a report.
Correct.
There has to be an FIR.
Yes.
The report has to be reduced in writing under 154. That becomes an FIR.
Yes.
Thereafter, the officer in charge of the police station shall forward the information to the state government.
Correct.
Then state government will forward all
the central government
available before it to the central government. And
yes,
if the central government finds it appropriate,
yes,
in a fit case, schedule offense or otherwise,
yes,
it can refer the matter of investigating the FIR.
I'm deeply obliged
to this.
Yes.
To this.
Yes.
National Investigating Agency.
Yes.
Now, this you are asking us to form the opinion by the court that these are fit cases to be investigated by the NIA.
My lord,
This job under the statute has been entrusted to the government, to the central government,
my lord,
on the report to be submitted first by the SHO concerned, thereafter on the report to be submitted by the state government. Can we substitute our satisfaction?
my lord, with great
Wait a bit, please. Let
Yes.
us identify
Yes.
the issue.
Yes.
Can the court substitute its substance regarding fitness of a case to be investigated by the NIA? This is one. Two,
Yes.
regarding other prayers, as I said, under the Act, NIA is an investigating agency. It is not an agency to inquire into any such incident.
Yes.
So these are the two queries you have to satisfy the court.
My lord, first of all, regarding the first question, my lord. My lord, the FIR.
And
my
of
lord-
course,
Yes.
under subsection 6,
Yes.
the central government can refer any
To the
matter
NIA.
to be investigated
Yes.
by the NIA suo
Yes.
motu also,
See,
on
my
its
lord-
own,
my lord, first
without the
Yes. Yes.
requirement of subsection
My lord,
1
the
and
first,
2
my
and
lord,
3.
the FIR is as per reports, my lord, and I have brought on record that reports, my lord, that FIR has been registered against certain members of the unruly mob, number one. And my lord, the report, because this is such a situation, my lord, which is affecting, my lord, pan-India. So therefore, certainly, my lord, we presume, because we have nothing on record to say that the state government has sent some report to the central government. But, my lord, so far as on
This judgment for
yeah, my lord,
this-
I'm
this was-
citing,
this-
my lord,
this-
in this.
Wait, please.
Yes.
This judgment only summarizes
Yes.
the law
Yes.
which is put in, which is activated or which is put in service for
Yes.
dealing with such situations. That is all.
No, my lord, can
Then
you see
whether-
the preventive
Mr.
measures?
Sinha, please.
My lord, page 80, para 18, my lord, of the judgment, para
Para
18.
18.
Para 18. Preventive measures.
Yes.
And now, my lord, we are before your lordship for preventive measures, the public at large is
Please, we
suffering.
have to understand the gamut of the petition from
Correct.
your prayers.
Correct.
Read para 18.
Para 18.
Yes.
Having observed thus, the court issued extensive guidelines.
Para 18.
18, my lord, sorry, 15, my lord, I'm sorry, excuse me, 15. Having observed thus, the court issued extensive guidelines in the nature of preventive, remedial, and punitive measures to curb incidents of mob lynching.
This only observes what has been held in
But-
Tahsin Poonawala's judgment.
Tahsin Poonawala judgment, my lord, they have considered that judgment also, and then they have issued this, my lord, in the shape of directions, my lord.
So
What preventive measures ought to have been taken?
that's correct.
Mal-
What? Don't confuse the issues.
Yes.
See, your prayer number 1 and 2 is in respect
My lord,
of.
three also, my
Wait,
lord.
sir, please.
Yes.
Prayer number 1 and 2 is in respect of issuing a direction
Yes.
to the NIA
Yes.
to conduct the investigation, inquiry, etc.
NIA or
Wait,
or any
wait.
specialized agency.
Specialized agency means what?
SIT can be
That-
constituted
no. For what?
or CBI, my lord.
For what?
For investigation, because this is
That is-
pan-India
that is-
and
that
beyond
is-
the boundaries
that
of
is
the
for-
country also.
That is for the authorities
Yes.
to consider as to whether a particular crime reported has to be investigated by the CIA or by the Delhi police or by this, if it had been a state government. I mean, in any
My
other
lord,
state,
may I
the
pray?
state police.
May I pray one thing?
Just
my
a
lord?
minute, please.
Yes.
Just a minute, please. So far as your prayer for investigation by NIA is concerned, Section 6 is in place. It is for the central government to take a call, one, suo motu, if it wants to act under subsection 6, or it can be initiated only on a report to be submitted by the SHO. That too, when there is a report and there is an FIR coupled with the report of the state government.
Therefore, may I pray,
therefore-
let
wait,
the
sir,
status
please
report be
wait.
filed, my lord.
Please wait.
Yes.
Therefore, what you are asking is that it should be based on the satisfaction of the court that yes, it is a matter which needs to be inquired into by the SIT.
Well,
We cannot substitute our satisfaction to the satisfaction which under the statute is to be there to be recorded by the central government, not by us. So far as your prayer 2 is concerned,
yes.
sorry, prayer 3.
Prayer 3, yes. To issue an appropriate writ, order or direction, directing the competent authority to identify all persons responsible for acts of violence, vandalism, obstruction of emergency services.
For 3, you approach the authorities, they will take action.
No, my lord,
You-
can
you-
we see
you-
in a
just
situation?
a minute, please.
Yes.
You approach the authorities, annex this judgment, annex Tahsin Poonawala's judgment, annex that judgment in re-destruction of public property, etc., and then they will take action.
My lord, kindly see, this is a violation of fundamental right, my lord. Kindly see, this is a violation of fundamental.
There
At
is
least
a-
your
there is
lordship
a-
can
there is
ask
a-
the
there is a
competent
me-
authority.
There is a mechanism available in law. You can take recourse to that mechanism.
My lord, kindly appreciate, call for the record, a status report from the police on the FIRs registered. And my lord, the metro stations which are, my lord, closed for last 3 days, my lord, those situations, my lord, the roads are blocked.
So
So, my lord, therefore, my lord, the fundamental public, the right of the people, my
we are
lord,
not denying all
which is
that.
an offense under, my
Sir,
lord,
Mr.
CRPC.
Sinha, we are not denying all that.
Yes.
We do not know. We are not reflecting ourselves on what has been reported. What are you saying? We are not saying anything. We are only on the legal issues.
My lord.
Prayer 1 and 2 relates to your seeking a direction to the NIA. For that, Section 6 is in place. If SHO makes a report, state government makes a report, and central government forms an opinion
Yes.
and satisfaction, records the satisfaction that yes, these FIRs are to be investigated by the NIA, they will do that.
My lord,
1,
kindly,
2. So far as prayer 3 is concerned, the judgments are there. The entire mechanism must be in place in pursuance of those judgments. There are 3 judgments. The judgments which you cited right now,
yes, and
plus
Tahsil Poonawalla,
Poonawalla,
and one more
and
judgment is there.
in destruction of public
Yeah,
property.
that
So
your
therefore,
guidelines are there.
you represent the authorities
Yes.
concerned. We'll ask them to take decision on your representation in accordance with this law. That's
My
all.
lord, kindly for a moment have page 68 also. Kindly see the photographs. And my lord, the person who is the law enforcement agency facing this situation. Page 66, my lord, for
Let's
a
not
moment.
go into all that. We are not reflecting ourselves on what is there because that's a matter of fact.
Then, my lord, direct
Wait,
the...
sir, please. That's a matter of fact that needs an inquiry to be conducted. That inquiry is to be conducted under the direction and supervision and control of the competent authority in view of what has already been provided for by the Supreme Court in these 3 judgments.
Then, my lord, in
We
view of...
cannot reflect upon anything merely by going through the photographs or videos.
Then, my lord, in view of section 6, my lord, kindly direct the central government to take a view.
Why can we? Why
And,
should
and
we
we will
direct?
represent, my
Why
lord.
should we direct?
No, we will place
let
all
them form
materials.
their opinion. No, sorry.
My lord, we will place all materials before the, my
You
lord, Home
place your
Ministry.
material, whatever you want to do.
Or, my lord, then my lord can pass any speaking order on this, my lord.
Speaking
Because
order means-
ultimately, kindly say,
speaking order
ultimately the
means what?
fundamental right of the
Speaking
people at
of-
large is...
Please, Mr. Sinha, we are
Yes.
conscious of the fundamental right. It is not that we are not alive to all this. The question is following the law, following the statutory prescriptions. That is the question.
Then, madam, I am seeking your lordship's indulgence, my lord, direction to the central to consider my representation with all evidence, my lord.
You make the representation in respect of prayer 3 so far as prayer 1 and 2 is concerned. That is for the
Central government.
That is for the authorities.
Yes.
In terms of section 6 Act.
My lord can observe this, my lord.
All right.
दोस्तों, माननीय दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने आज इस बेहद महत्वपूर्ण सुनवाई में साफ कर दिया है कि एनआईए का जांच का अधिकार सिर्फ और सिर्फ केंद्र सरकार के पास है। कोर्ट ने स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहा कि कार्यपालिका या सरकार के काम में दखल नहीं दे सकता और न ही अपनी संतुष्टि को सरकार की संतुष्टि में बदल सकता है। माननीय अदालत के इस कड़े रुख और सॉलिसिटर जनरल की सलाह के बाद याचिकाकर्ता ने अपनी याचिका वापस ले ली है। इस पूरे कानूनी मामले पर आपकी कीमती राय क्या है? कमेंट्स बॉक्स में जरूर साझा करिए। जय हिंद दोस्तों।